Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to test default APIs using Swagger browser and Postman. We have this default API get method. Just click this. To test this get method, click try it out here. Then click execute. Scroll down. Here we have the response body. This is HTTP response. Your status code 200. It means OK. This is the request URL and this is the response. The data are hard coded in our project. Let's go to Visual Studio Code Editor. Your expand controller, weather forecast controller. Open this. In this controller, this HTTP response shows some data. Because of this get method, HTTP get method, here we are returning some data. Here we are getting date, temperature. We are getting temperature by using some random numbers. We are getting summary from this method. We are getting the data. This data is visible to you in this UI as HTTP response. Now you can use this URL in browser. So copy this URL, paste it here, then press enter. Here also we are having some JSON response. The data is same. Now let's test this API in Postman. Let's open Postman. Here you can create request in two ways. First one is go to file menu, then click new. This is one method. Here we have to select HTTP request. Okay. The second way is here you can click add new. Okay. In this drop down we have all HTTP methods. We can use any one of the method as per the need of our web API. Here we can enter the URL. Then we have the send button to send the URL request. In bottom we have some tabs. If you want to send some parameters, you can use this params tab. You can enter key and value here. If your API needs some authorization, you can use this. Here you can select the type of authorization with value. Headers. Here we have some default headers. If you want to add new headers, you can add here with a key and value. Then we have body. In body, if your request need body, then you can enter the details here. By default, your none is selected. If I change this to raw, you can enter the data in your format for the body. This is used in post and put method. Then in this drop down, you can select the type of data that you are passing in your request. If you are using JSON format, then you have to enter the JSON formatted data here. These are some basic details of Postman. Now let's test our API. Paste the URL here. By default get is selected. Remember we are not passing any parameter here because this API doesn't expect any parameter. Now click the send button to send the URL request. Here drag it down. We have the body. These are headers coming from the response. Your status code 200, it means OK. Time taken by the API, then size of the data. This is how we can test our API project using Swagger, browser and Postman. Thank you so much for watching this video.